Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone or iPad runs a compatible iOS version and by making a quick backup via iCloud or iTunes. Once done, make sure settings right arrow general right arrow profiles and device management will allow enterprise profiles. You'll need this later. Next, disable any VPN and third-party firewalls temporarily. Then open Safari and navigate to the Panda Helper main page. Tap the iOS tab and choose the free or VIP installer. Tap Install and follow the profile prompt to begin the download. After the profile downloads, go to Settings right arrow profile downloaded to review the installation details. Tap Install and enter your passcode if prompted. You must then trust the developer profile. Settings right arrow general right arrow profiles and device management. Select the new profile and trust it so iOS will allow apps to run. If a warning appears about untrusted developer, choose Trust. Once trusted, return to the home screen. Wait for the Panda icon to finish installing. Then open the app to initialize its content and accept any in-app permissions. To complete setup, sign in if you created an account or browse categories to download apps and tweaks. Installations will follow the same profile trust flow. Make sure to update Panda Helper when prompted to avoid expired certificates that block installs. If an app fails to open, delete and reinstall it after retrusting the profile. Troubleshooting tip: if installations repeatedly fail, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds, then off, clear Safari cache. Restart the device and repeat the install. This often resolves certificate or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.